Hello, everybody. So this video is for teachers of Google Classrooms to learn how to assign classwork so students can either have a copy or an edit version of their assignment. So you want to go to your Google Classroom classwork and you want to create. Now there's a couple of different ways that you can create. You can create an assignment, which is attaching a Google document. If you want them to edit that document or that slideshow, they could type in it, you would do it that way. If you want to assign them a PDF document where they can draw on it or write on it, like if you have a scanned worksheet or something from the internet that you would want them to write on top of the PDF, then you would do a CAMI assignment. So let me show you how to assign an assignment. So you would come here and you would find the file that you want to assign by going to your Google Drive. And I'm just going to use this as an example. So this is actually something that I downloaded from a second grade classroom, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it says, would you rather become 5 years older or 2 years younger, and why? So we would want the child to be able to type here and then share it back to you. So when you attach this, you would rename it whatever name you want, but I'm just showing you how to do this. So the title would be writing assignment. And then you would put directions in here. Please read this question and type your answer in the document. Then please share this back. Turning it in. So here you need to select that because this document, we want the students to edit it, but we don't want them to all edit the same document. And we don't want them to just view the file. We want them to make a copy for each student. And when we make a copy for each student, it will open up with their name, and then they will be able to turn it in when they're done. So here you would change it. We're not going to grade this because it's just a reflection. It's up to you if you want to have a due date. If you would have a topic there, you can. And then you would click assign. So then the child would be able to click on that and make a copy of it for themselves when they're doing their assignment. Now, if you wanted to create a CAMI assignment where you would need a PDF, where you want the child to interact with the PDF, they're not typing on it. So let me go to my documents. Now, I didn't practice this. I apologize. So I don't have any files available. So let's see what I have as a PDF. I have no idea what's in science. No, that's probably somebody else's. Here we go. We're going to PDF the, wow, I have a lot of things in here. Synonyms. I have no idea what this is. I bet you these are all documents that I've opened from your classrooms. So this is a practice assignment, and I have no idea what's on here. So please follow the directions about synonyms. Turn it in when you are finished. So automatically CAMI assignments default to make a copy for each student, and that's recommended because you want each student to write on their own copy, and multiple teachers can use the same CAMI document as long as you have make a copy for each student. If you want all of the students to write on the same copy, if there's an assignment where you want them to collaborate on it, where you want them all to put something into the document, then the students share one copy. So they're all going to be writing on the same copy. It's going to save all of their work on one copy. But then you may or may not know who's doing what part of the work. And then if it's just posting where they are just looking at the file, they cannot edit it, they cannot write on it, then you would choose that. So most of the time, you're making a copy for each student so they can interact with it. Path distant learning, all students. I'm going to pick a topic. Well, I'm going to say no topic because I'm just going to delete it. We're not grading this. It's ungraded. Due date if you want, and then you would click assign. So they would show up in your student's classroom. I suggest that you don't need to open in the classroom because it'll show up right here as soon as it reloads. So here's the practice assignment that I just did. It's a Kami assignment, and here is the writing assignment. So you can click on it, and you can see that this is a PDF via Kami, and I'm the teacher. No one has turned it in. And then here's that writing assignment, and it shows you that it's a Google Doc, so people can do that. And I'm actually going to delete these before anybody thinks that they're supposed to do it. So please let me know if there's any other videos that you need help with. Those are the two different ways that you can assign an assignment to a student.